Hey, so today I wanted to share with you all that I purchased a Samsung soundbar, and I wanted to share this because it was super hard for me to pick one. I went to the stores and I was just trying out all of them, and I was there for at least 3 hours, and it was so hard to choose. But I mean, you obviously could tell which one sounded better than the next, but the ones that sounded similar, it was pretty hard. But I ended up with the Samsung Q750 Q750C, I think it's called. I'm gonna put it down there. And I think I made a good choice. It was a great price. All right, it really wasn't a great price, but it wasn't a great price. I'm lying. I'm capitulating. It wasn't a great price, but it sounded great, and I did not want any mediocre soundbar on my TV because it's just like, why am I gonna buy it? Like, what am I gonna buy it for if it's not gonna sound good? So yeah, I wanted it to sound good, so I'm gonna set it up. I'm not gonna put the setup process. Here it is right here. I'm gonna set it up, and hopefully I can set it up in a good amount of time where I'm not too tired, and I can give you my review on how I think it sounds inside my home. No lie, I just opened this and look at these wires. I was like, at first I was like, I am not using any type of instructions. I'm just gonna plug it up. Look at these wires. I'm over here like, hold up. Hold up. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do with this. But we got the regular wires over here. But these wires, I know they go into the little baby speakers, but I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna have to call my dad for this because I'm a child. Also, I was in the store, and I'm not gonna blast which store it was, but I was in the store, and these workers could not tell me anything of any sort of question that I had that was not on the menu, not like in front of them. They could not tell me. Like, I was like, okay, so I was like, is the speaker wireless? And the guy was like, let me check that for you. Let me go check. I'll figure out the answer. I'm like, yo, how are you working in this section? How are you working in this section? You do not know. And then I asked one of the dudes, I was like, okay, is this the let's say 700cc, or is this the 70cc, or is this the 70c? He's like, I don't know, but this is the da 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 da. And he's like, I was like, what I said was, do you have the 60cc or do you have the 600cc? And he's like, I don't know, but this one is a 70 da da da. And I'm like, so you just don't know what's in the store? And it was two different employees. Like, get y'all employees together. Now, I will say I did go to the same store, and it had different employees, of course, and the guy knew his stuff. This store? Should I report them? I really should, huh? I think I should. Hey guys, I'm back. I finally got my speaker system all together. Surround sound is booming. It's great. It's super good. I had an issue with getting my surround sound speakers, the little speakers, to work, and then after trying to configure it myself with the instructions that did not tell me, don't put it on the plastic part. So it's like a wire piece in the front at the end, and then there's a little plastic part. You're not supposed to put it on the plastic part. And that's what I put it on, because I was like, oh, it has grip. Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. So that'll save you a lot of time if you're just trying to do it on your own. But I really like it. I'm in love with my sound. It is like, I'm going to be honest, when I was in the store, I would say JBL had a super loud speaker, and also the Samsung, it was like 9 point something. That one was super loud, but this one is like the next best thing. So super good. I love it. It is loud. I really like really loud things, but that might not be good for my neighbors to be hearing. So when I get a house, that's gonna be the next thing. The speakers that I get, the 9 point whatever is and up, but this 5 point, I think it's 5.12. 5.1.2. It's really good. I love it. I recommend, if you have a Samsung, get this. Yes. Okay. Bye.
Okay then. Okay then. Okay then.